Sometimes we are asked to read information from frequency polygons. In this frequency polygon, we can see that Tia asked her friends how many times they visited the cinema last month. And the frequency polygon shows her results. So the frequency is directly related to the number of friends, and the times visited across the bottom is how many times they went to the cinema during that month. Our first question, how many of Tia's friends visited the cinema once last month? So we need to find 1 on our times visited and make a reading from there. So we can see if we go up to our line and across to the frequency axis, we can see that that reading is 35. Each individual square we need to check is with 1. We can see 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So we have 35 people. Press pause and try the question, how many of Tia's friends visited the cinema more than twice last month? So for this question, we have more than twice. That means they could have visited 3 times, 4 times, or 5 times. We will take readings for each of these. So we can see here the 3 is there, and we're going to go across to the axis, and we can see here we have 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 people visited 3 times. So 3 is equal to 13. 4 is equal to, up to this axis and across to the frequency, we can see that is 1, 2, 3, 4 people. And lastly, those who went 5 times, we go up to the point and across to the frequency, and we can see that is 2 people. So that means the people who visited more than twice are all of these people combined, which means we want to add 13, add 4, add 2. So 13 add 4 gives us 17, 17 add 2 gives us 19 people. Press pause and try the question, did all of Tia's friends visit the cinema last month? So when looking at this question, if we're asking, did all of Tia's friends visit the cinema last month, we're looking specifically at this 0 value here. Now, if that reads 0 on the frequency column, that means that all of Tia's friends would have visited the cinema at least once. Because on this axis it isn't 0, it is actually goes up to 20, that would mean that 20 of her friends did not visit the cinema. So it would be no, 20 of her friends did not visit the cinema.